Welcome back to the Prohibition Kitchen. I'm Anthony. Today is a chaser on our National Daiquiri Day episode where we went over the Hemingway daiquiri. Today, we're getting into one of my original daiquiris, a very powerful original daiquiri, the Caribbean Devil. I developed this one a little over a year ago and it has stood up well in that time, being very regularly ordered out of my menu. This particular daiquiri is using Plantation O.F.T.D, which clocks in at a full 69%. It's I think maybe the highest proof liquor in my cabinet. And speaking of, I don't think I've tasted it straight since I developed this cocktail over a year ago. So let's change that. Coffee, orange, and stone fruit maybe on the nose. And then caramel, chocolate, molasses, vanilla, oak on the palate. I could enjoy this over a large clear cube like sipping whiskey. O.F.T.D and Smith & Cross are my favorite overproof rums. You could use Smith & Cross here, but O.F.T.D definitely produces better results in this case. We're using lime, simple syrup, Plantation 5-year, and of course Plantation O.F.T.D. The build is simple. 1 ounce of fresh lime, 1 ounce of simple syrup to help balance that 69%, 1 ounce of Plantation 5-year, which is a Barbados rum, and 1 ounce of Plantation O.F.T.D, which is a blended Jamaican, Barbados, Guyana, a bunch of them. Give it a hard shake over plenty of ice for 10 seconds. Double strain into a chilled cocktail coupe. And top it off with a desiccated lime. This is important on the nose for this cocktail. Wow, these two rums are literally made for each other. The cask notes of each playing well. Molasses, caramel, vanilla, oak, chocolate, spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, balanced out by the tangy lime and just the right amount of sweet. It's very well balanced. Definitely give this one a shot. Click here for a craft reconstruction of the Hemingway daiquiri. Click here for a playlist of a whole bunch of other amazing cocktails. And don't forget to subscribe and come back next time when Joanne is making us a pina colada. Thank you. I love it.